Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a tempered glass screen protector and camera glass screen protector on your Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's go. Alright, so here we have it, guys. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'm going to be installing the screen protector for you here. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with a couple of different pieces actually. Okay, it comes with 4 different camera screen protectors. It also comes with 4 tempered glass screen protectors. And it comes with this plastic piece that you will place on the screen of the phone to help you position the screen protector properly. And then it also comes with some cleaning cloths so that you can properly clean the screen of your iPhone before installation. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to make sure that there are no dust particles whatsoever on the screen of your phone. So it's a good idea to just lock the phone and make the screen go black or dim it down. That way you can see the screen much better. As you can see, there's a dust particle here and some other light ones around the screen. So we're going to go ahead and take our cleaning cloths here. Now, depending on how dirty your phone is, you may want to use the wet tissue. This is if the screen on the phone is greasy, the wet tissue will help clean some of that grease off. But if your screen isn't greasy and it just maybe has some dust particles on it, you can get away with just using the cleaning cloth. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and pass it around the entire screen to make sure any dust particles are completely off of the screen. Okay, once you're done, you can go ahead and take a closer look at the screen. If there are any remaining small little dust particles, sometimes just blowing some air onto the screen will get them right off. However, don't blow too hard because you may get some saliva on the screen and that will make it worse. So just gently blow on it and it will be ready. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and place the plastic piece on the screen here. Okay, we're gonna position it on there and this is gonna help us position the screen protector perfectly aligned on the screen. Okay, so these tempered glass screen protectors only have 1 film. So once you remove that film, you can go ahead and place it right on there. So let's go ahead and remove the film, peel it back, and then slowly position it. First, you can do the top of the screen here, and then gently let it drop towards the bottom. Okay, as you can see, the air is coming out of the screen. You may want to apply some pressure on it. This will help speed the process and fill in any air bubbles that may be left on the screen protector. All right, so as you can see, looks like we are done. That was pretty quick. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic piece and take a closer look. So there's a tiny little air bubble down here. I think we can just get it out just sliding our finger across. Yep, there you go, it's out. This is just the line to swipe up and down. And over here at the top, looks like there's some tiny little air bubbles up here. I'm just gonna press down on them. Yep, there you go. And there you go, that actually looks perfect. Okay, so now we have the tempered glass screen protector installed on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and install the camera glass protector. All right, so for the camera glass protector, same thing. We're gonna just remove it from the package here. And the way we're gonna position is, there's gonna be, okay, you're gonna wanna position it exactly like this with the 2 big camera rings on the 2 big cameras. However, you also wanna make sure that you clean the camera lenses before installing it. So make sure there are no dust particles left on the camera lenses. Okay, and once we are ready and there is no dust on the camera lenses, we're gonna go ahead and peel off this plastic film here from the camera protector. And then we're just gonna go ahead and place it just like this on the camera. Okay, and then once it's positioned on there properly, you can just go ahead and press down on it. And the adhesive will glue on to the sides here of the camera rings. Okay, and now we have the camera glass protectors and the tempered glass screen protector all installed on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So there you have it. That's how you install a tempered glass screen protector and camera glass lens screen protector on your Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. So go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and leave a comment down below. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.